Alright guys, so today I'm gonna show you my ultimate favorite dish. I dubbed this as my last supper, if it ever gets to that, okay? It is called Dinuguan, and what you're seeing here right now is dugo. Dugo translates to blood. Yes, you heard it right. It is a blood stew made with pork blood. You can do this with beef. I think I've seen somebody do it with beef, okay? I consider this as a deconstructed boudin noir, if you know what I mean. Very flavorful, okay? It's a little gnarly to some people. If you're not adventurous, unfortunately, I don't think this is the recipe for you, but if you are like me and you like to try everything, give this a go and see how you like it. We should begin. I'm gonna show you the other ingredients now. Alright, so first things first, I'm just gonna add my oil in a hot pot, dump in my onions, and I want this to sweat. So the next ingredients I'm gonna put are my garlic, my ginger, and I'm gonna get this going until I start smelling the ginger. And because it is a puree, the ginger won't take long to extract its flavor and aroma. And this is all happening in high heat, okay? That's why it's important that you have all your ingredients ready before you start cooking. Alright, so that's good. The next step that you're gonna do is add your bay leaves and add your pork. And cover it with water. Add your black pepper. And you're gonna get this going until the meat is nice and tender. And yeah, we'll be right back. Alright guys, so it took about 15 minutes for the pork to soften, okay? So at this point, I'm just gonna remove the bones. Alright, so as you can see, there's still a good amount of liquid in there, which is what you want, okay? And now, I'm gonna add the star ingredient of this recipe, which is the pork blood. And you'll see how, at first, it looks very bloody, very red, and then it turns to about a color of Bordeaux. You'll let that go until it turns black. Alright, I don't know if you can see, there's no more shade of red to it. So now at this point, I'm just gonna turn it off. Off heat, I'm gonna add my vinegar. And I do use a very generous amount of vinegar because I like this very sour. But if you're not into that, you can put the vinegar little by little until you reach a good amount of acidity. So this is the point where you adjust your seasoning. So mine needs a little more saltiness. So I'm adding some fish sauce, and I don't know if you noticed by now, but I do like adding fish sauce in my dishes over salt because it adds a more complex saltiness to any dish that I make. I actually use this for making even non-Asian food, okay? If I make pasta sauce, if I make just about anything that needs some saltiness, it just boosts the savoriness of the dish. Best served with rice or puto. Puto is a rice cake dish that we make in the Philippines, most commonly for desserts, but some time ago it started to be paired up with dinuguan, okay? And again, dinuguan is like a deconstructed boudin noir, which is a blood sausage, more commonly eaten in Europe, I believe. So yeah, nice and simple. Thanks for watching again. If you have any concerns or comments about the video, let me know down below. Happy cooking. Bye.